Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer retention with AXA detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the concept of customer retention. Explain why customer retention is crucial for business success. Introduce AXA as a leading solution for automating customer retention. Start by outlining the first step, assessing your current customer retention strategy. Identify key metrics and data points that highlight areas for improvement. Collect customer feedback through surveys and reviews to understand their needs. Next, set clear retention goals based on the insights gathered. Determine specific, measurable objectives that you aim to achieve. Move on to step 3, integrating AXA's customer management tools. Explore AXA's features that support customer engagement and retention. Set up automated communication systems to reach out to customers periodically. Focus on personalization in your communication to cater to individual customer preferences. Step 4 involves segmenting your customer base. Group customers based on behavior, demographics, and purchase history. Tailor your retention strategy to each segment for a more effective approach. Step 5 is to implement loyalty programs through AXA. Design reward systems that incentivize recurring business from customers. Use AXA's analytics to track the success of these programs. In step 6, establish a consistent follow-up process. Create automated workflows for post-purchase communications. Send thank you emails, feedback requests, and product recommendations. Move to step 7, monitor your retention efforts regularly. Utilize AXA's reporting tools to analyze customer retention metrics effectively. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to improve outcomes. Lastly, foster a culture of customer centricity within your organization. Encourage all employees to prioritize customer satisfaction in their roles. Conclude by summarizing the importance of continuous improvement in customer retention strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.